In this video, I'm going to discuss the topic of dynamic typing. So Python is a programming language that is dynamically typed. That means variables can be assigned to one type of object and then reassigned to a different type of object. It doesn't matter that the first assignment of a variable was an integer. It can be assigned to any other object. So let's take, for instance, let's say I've created the variable a. I've assigned it to the value of 5, and when I say type of a, well, that is an int. I can then very easily just change this. I can say right now a is assigned the value of true, and if I say type of a, it is now a bool. I could then say a is 4.5, and then I can say type of a, and now it is a float. So that is what is meant by dynamic typing, is that the variable name can be assigned to any type of object at any time. It doesn't have to stay the same type. So this is different than other languages which are statically typed. So many other languages are statically typed, such as Java or C. And when a language is statically typed, you can think of the word static. That means like stationary, it stays put. That means whenever a variable name is declared, it's declared with a certain type. So you might say a in the beginning of your program, like in a statically typed language. A could be an integer. That means a has to be an integer. It cannot be assigned any other type of object, or else there will be an error. So Python allows the variable name to change types. Some other languages are statically typed, and those variable names cannot change throughout the program. So there are advantages and disadvantages to dynamic and static typing. So for dynamic typing, which is where Python falls, it is generally faster to test out solutions. You don't have to worry about the type. You can be a little sloppy and just change types at will. It's definitely easier when you have an interactive environment like a Jupyter Notebook and you're just trying to quickly get a solution for something. Now, the disadvantage is that dynamically typed languages are typically more prone to errors. So in your program, you might need two objects to be of a certain type, two variables. Like say you're adding a and b, and a needs to be an integer and b also needs to be an integer. But what happens if b is now, you forget and somehow make it a string, and then you'll get an error like that. So with static typing, you can have a lot more certainty that you can know ahead of time whether or not an operation will successfully complete. So with static typing, you have a plus b. If b is a string and a is an integer, then you know ahead of time, the computer will know, the compiler will know that that operation can't complete. So there's definitely advantages and disadvantages to both. Python just happens to be a language that is dynamically typed.